I'll do it when I'm ready. Gets ready. Now there's a galloper, and it's an important one. Parisian Chic, second favourite. It's galloping. It's down and trotting now, but is going to miss away the best part of 25 lengths. And first to go when the starter let them go was Wardan Destroyer, going up in search of the lead with Seven Secrets. In the meantime, She's a Spur is rallying on the inside to hold a forward place. And they were being followed next of all by All Lane, and Bacardi Hurricane settles down in about fifth spot. Then Cleo Carso. The next one is I'll Do It When I'm Ready. It's going to drift well back in the field, and Parisian Chic is last of all. And they're spread out over plenty of territory, and Wardan Destroyer. There's a galloper there. She's a Spur broke and veered to the outside. Didn't collect anything, and as they go into the back, 28-2 first quarter, and Wardan Destroyer went to the lead. Led the way by about 2 lengths on Seven Secrets, about 4 away. Then up on the outside is Bacardi Hurricane taking closer order. It trots around All Lane. They're about 10 in front then of further back in the field. Then Cleo Carso together with I'll Do It When I'm Ready. Well back in the field is Parisian Chic, and tailed right off now is She's a Spur. 800 metres left to go, and that second quarter not working. There's some problems with the timing mechanism at the 800 metre mark, so no second split available, and the leader down the back straight is still Wardan Destroyer, a length clear on Seven Secrets, and Bacardi Hurricane lurks in behind that pair, now third. 2 lengths away to All Lane at the 600. A long margin off to I'll Do It When I'm Ready. A length away to Parisian Chic. Well back Cleo Carso, and tailed right off as She's a Spur as they come for home now. They've got just on 400 metres left to go. Wardan Destroyer led Seven Secrets. Coming one off the inside now is Bacardi Hurricane to give chase, and they're clear of All Lane. They straighten up. Wardan Destroyer, Seven Secrets, and Bacardi Hurricane lets down with its run on the outside, and soon after Bacardi Hurricane hitting top gear had gone to the lead. Seven Secrets, Wardan Destroyer battle out the minors, and they're clear of All Lane, but it's Bacardi Hurricane, 100 metres left to go, absolutely making a mess of them, really going on with the job the last bit, and Bacardi Hurricane will bolt in by the better part of 5 lengths to Wardan Destroyer, Seven Secrets, fourth All Lane, and then I'll Do It When I'm Ready, about a half away to Parisian Chic, who blew it at the start, and the last pair about 150 metres away were She's a Spur and Cleo Carso. I can tell you that the last quarter was 27.9, no second or third splits, and the overall time 157.2. Bacardi